Hello everyone, welcome to How to Do It. In this video, we'll see how to install Notepad++ on Windows 10. So let's get started. So just go to your browser, just type in download Notepad++. Now just go to the first link, that is notepad++.org. Now here you will be shown the versions of Notepad++. We'll just go with the latest one, that is version 8.2. And here you can see the download button. Now just click on this download button. And now the download has been started. Now I'll just click on this to start the installation. I'll click on yes. I'll click on OK. Then we'll click on next. I agree. And then it will ask us to choose the location. The default seems fine, so I'll just click on next, then again next, and I'll select this create shortcut on desktop, and then I'll click on install. Now it has been installed. Now I'll just click on finish. Now here you can see Notepad++ has been started. So this was so easy, right? So this was all on how to install Notepad++ on Windows 10. Hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you.